Hey, I'm David Tripp, the designer and educator behind Trippie Design. I've been teaching design long enough to know that InDesign can be a little frustrating to start with, but it can completely change the way you see layout in the world. Whether you're brand new to Adobe InDesign or ready to level up your skills, I'm going to walk you through it step by step the same way I do in my high school classrooms. If I move a little faster, you find yourself lost in the sauce, remember you can always pause, rewind, jump back in with me. From mastering grids and typography to building magazines, flyers, and multi-page layouts, you'll get hands-on practice on real-world projects that actually build confidence. By the end, you won't just know where the tools are, you'll know how to think like a layout designer. So let's jump in. And don't forget to subscribe and never miss your daily dose of design.